Good day everybody, my name is Milan and today I'm going to teach you how to type faster. Well, it can't just magically appear, but what you need to do is practice every single day. I've changed my setup, please let me know what you think. I'm still upgrading everything. Like, this is very weird if you can see my head like that, right? I have, for example, multiple options, like I can just turn on the light, there you go. Or I can turn it off, here you go, turn it off. It doesn't want to work, there you go. Or just set a completely different mood, like for example purple, but isn't this very distracting? The first thing I recommend you do is to go to this website called Monkeytype.com. After doing this, you will see this, probably in a different theme, because you can change this right below. Here you go. You can, for example, give your own theme if you like this one more. There you go, your preference. And right above, you can actually just log in here and, for example, log in with Google. And now you're logged in, everything is saved, including how many tests you've started, how much you have typed, and everything like that. It's great to see these statistics. For example, here you can see I was at 73, but I kept practicing and it kept going up. And now it's about, there you go, 81 words per minute. So just keep practicing here. What you can do actually is select your language. You can do this in your own native language. For example, mine is Dutch. So here we have some Dutch. I can type my own language. I also have a new keyboard, by the way, so I think that's very great. And here you go, typing in Dutch. If you press escape, you can search again. You can change many things like languages and all. So let's just change back to English, fold into no without these. Let's see how far I get. I'm just saying this is the best typing website you can use to increase your typing speed. And if you do this daily, you'll probably get really far. So let's see how far I get right now. 88 words per minute. And I was very much slower than this. You can actually see I made some margins here, some mistakes. Here you got 4 errors. I typed very fast and then I kept slowing down. So you could say that the first few seconds you're really fast. The best thing about this actually, if I type here, if I click here on the next test, you can choose multiple options. For example, a new time period, you can customize it yourself. If you want it to last for like an hour, it's 3600 seconds, but that would be crazy, right? But here you got time, you got some words, you can practice words even better. Let's say I make mistakes with number, I'm not that good with typing number. Yeah, I would say that you can practice by clicking here on practice words. After doing this, you see words, you can choose if you want to do it slow or not, where you type slow, so turn it on. By words is pretty much, which includes the previous word, so before word I had something else. Want work, so here you got a lot of work. Here you can practice how fast you want to get with a specific word. Like I type pretty fast with these words, you know, so I don't have any problems with typing want work. Still pretty fast. What I recommend you do also is have your hands very straight. It's not good to bend your hands or to have them up to type, so try to keep it as straight as possible. Another one, I know it can be very difficult, know your keyboard blindly. If you can type on your keyboard without looking, then you can focus on the next word you have to type. And after doing this, you should be way faster. You're not looking at your keyboard and being distracted or trying to look at 2 places at the same time. You just have to focus on typing on your keyboard and then focusing on the next word that is going to be after the one you have to type. Let me show you an example. I see here, wow, this is the first word I have to type, so it's the next one. For, still, I look at these words. These, about, take, ask, all, why. I just look at the next word, I'm pretty fast. So if you keep practicing this, yeah, there you go, I made some mistakes. But therefore you have the practice mode. So here you have house, good, even, some. I made some mistakes, so if I click here on words and then turn it on, I should be able to find words where it's trouble with. So here, just keep practicing. I know it can be very annoying, but if you keep practicing this, you'll eventually get very good. And always focus on your screen, by the way. I'm trying to look at you guys, but that doesn't work. Here you go, 85, still pretty fast. You have even more things, for example, quotes. If you like quotes, you can also turn on if you want it to be very long or just very short. With Zen mode, you can type randomly anything you want, and then it can count how fast you are. My favorite for is of course time, because in a time period you have to type as many words as you can, and quotes can be very fun because here you also need to do your captions, so that's a very good practice. I'm not that great with captions, but let's see. There you go. A little bit slower. You can also toggle your word history, watch your own replay, so you can just watch how fast you were. And if you just repeat the test, you can battle yourself. You see that line? That is me. So if I am faster than that line, that means I'm faster than I previously was. So let's see. I was a little bit faster, not too much. But even better, if you click here on words, you also have punctuations and numbers. They can be very difficult. You want to practice these, annoy yourself with them, because eventually you should be able to get way faster. Here you go, count, nation. Yeah, it's a very, very difficult. Yeah, I was very slow there. You can of course turn these off. My favorite shortcut, by the way, is tab. After pressing tab, you see restart test. And if I finish one, there you go. 93 words. I was already way faster. You can press tab and then press tab again, and then you can see the next option. And if you do this, you can immediately press enter, go to the next test, do it again. You also have English and more difficult words. For example, 1K, you have a little bit more difficult words. Here you can already see fatal. I mean, nobody types this, but there are words here that are used a lot. There you go. I've never typed this word in my life, so that's going to be new. Look, I'm already really slow with these words, so it's good to practice the more difficult ones. Yeah, you can really see I'm a noob at this. Oh, yeah, here you go. Not so fast. Another great tip, have a schedule with it. I have a schedule every single morning that I have to improve my typing, that I have to brush my teeth even better. What you can do, by the way, in Google Calendar, if you didn't know it yet, you can create right here, create a task, or you can just press here and create a task. And after doing this, you can type, for example, you can do keyboard, that's a different one. And then you can just repeat it just like this. You can do it daily. Same time, you probably want to do it multiple times a week. You can put it like that, and this is going to notify you every single time. So I'm just gonna remove all those. Practice every single day. It's the best advice I can give you. Typing words is really just how your fingers memorize what you have typed before. Do this many times and you should be able to get way faster at typing. Make sure you subscribe down below and also like, so I know you like this video and I can make more like this. I also have merch, by the way, if you want to check it out. We're still working on a lot of things and trying to improve everything. So keep getting better and I will see you when you're faster. Thank you for watching.